is one of my very favorite foods, but it's also one of my very favorite things to make. The feeling of the dough in my hands, the smells in the air, the sizzle of the filling under the crust. The process of making pies from scratch can be so satisfying, and I want to share this process with you. In this class, I'm going to show you how to make a foolproof pie dough using simple ingredients. And if you're gluten-free like me, you can easily make it without gluten and nobody is going to have a clue. You'll learn how to prep and roll the dough, as well as master 3 pie techniques: a galette, a single crust pie, and a double crust pie. You'll get full recipes that you can't find anywhere else, as well as variations. And most importantly, you'll discover the satisfaction of creating pies from scratch. This is not a class where I'm going to teach you how to make flawless magazine cover pies. I don't care about that, and I don't want you to care about that. In fact, I'm going to ask you to ditch any notions of perfectionism. Instead, we're going to focus on the process, on creating something absolutely delicious with our own 2 hands, step by step. And I promise you, in doing so, you're actually going to become a better, more confident baker. Yes, these are delicious creations you can feed to your family and friends. Yes, they're perfect for special occasions and for the holidays, but I want this class to be for you, to discover the sheer joy of pie making.